Hello, saw your question in the email. Find the minimum sample size needed for the estimate U for the given values C, sigma, and E. So C is 0.98, sigma is 8.5, and E is 2. And you'll round this to nearest whole number. So here's the formula here. You put sigma in here, z sub c times sigma over e, the quantity of that squared. So we're given sigma's 8.5 and e is 2. So I put those here. The only thing you're lacking is this z sub c, and I think that's what you're asking about. And that comes from the 0.98. Now you can do this by hand or with the calculator or stat crunch. Pretty easy to do a stat crunch, so I'm choosing that path. So how do you find this normal calculator? You go to stats, and then calculator will be the first option, and then you go down to normal calculator. You got standard in between. Well, in this case, you want the between. This area in here is 0.98. That's what they're giving you, and you want this value z sub c over here. And so you just leave those at 0 and 1 since it's z-squared. Yeah, you put in 0.98 here and hit compute. And it's this number right here that you want. That's the number 2.3263. It goes right there. So I think that's your question. We can use StatCrunch. You just put in 0.98 and hit compute. I did click on between, and this area here is 0.98. And you hit compute, it'll give you that z-score right there that you're looking for. Hope that helps.